And what have we got here but evidence of the
North American knucklehead. Think we should set a knucklehead trap?
Now you're thinking, little buddy.
Yeah.
Hey folks, Cliff Dweller and Catfish here.
Yep. We're back in the great Grand Tetons.
That's right, we're camping here at Colter Bay in the northern area on Jackson Lake, the Grand Tetons. So yeah, this little Lakeview trail here, it's only a couple miles long. It goes out on this peninsula, out along the bay, but the main reason we want to do it is because of the view on the other end. You'll see what I mean here in a few minutes.
It's almost like they put that here.
We're out on the main island peninsula now.
Spider web, spider web.
Getting spider webs already?
Yep.
That means the bears haven't walked through here lately. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah, I think.
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not if we want to take pictures.
This is very much bear country. We seen a black bear today up in Yellowstone. Not a big deal. But this is also grizzly country.
Yep.
The sounds completely change once you get away from the crowded areas. Hey Catfish,
Yeah.
what's the one worst thing to run into on the trail here in Grand Tetons than a bear?
A moose.
Yes, a moose. The ranger was actually just telling us, a bear, you can get away with just injuries. A moose, you're either going to be severely injured or dead.
Yep.
So, kind of wishing I had moose spray.
Ha.
You could sit here and say, hey bear, all day long, and they wouldn't hear you over these boats.
Nope.
What do you think of that, Catfish?
That's a great view.
Yeah, it is.
That water's pretty clear, isn't it?
Yeah, well, that's snow melt. I mean, this whole lake, Jackson Lake, that's just snow melt.
Wow.
Why don't you get down there and touch it and tell me how cold it is?
Cold, isn't it?
You tell me, how cold is it?
It's like spring water.
Spring water. Yep. The Grand Teton stands at 13,770 some feet, just under 14,000 feet. If all goes well, Catfish and I are going to hike a trail beside it.
We just about as
One rain cloud in the sky and it's going to get us. Yay.
ski.
That ranks up there as one of the best views I've ever seen. You can literally see two streams of rain coming down over there.
Yeah.
And of course the huge rays of sunshine over there. So that spot, nature said, you're getting nailed. Meanwhile, nature said, you, we like you. We're gonna sunshine on you.
Yep.
Another thing about the elevation here is it kind of makes this area, it's kind of like it's springtime. We didn't really get a spring back in Indiana. It went straight from winter straight into the heat of summer.
Yep.
So it's kind of nice here with the weather feeling this way, all the flowers. It's like we finally get to experience spring. Elk, bison, and bear, oh my! Elk, bison, and bear, oh my! Elk, bison, and bear, oh my! We're back on the little connector thing here between the little peninsula island and mainland. And what have we got here but evidence of the
North American knucklehead.
And this was not here when we walked across the first time. And that's only been like a half hour ago.
Yeah. Think we should set a knucklehead trap?
Now you're thinking, little buddy.
Yeah.
No, but we are going to carry this trash out of here.
Just recruit all the grizzly bears to attack any knuckleheads they spot.
Sorry, Melvin. You're getting out of here.
Yep.
There's a beach right over there with a whole lot of people sunbathing. Several people in the water. Unless you're from Canada, I can't imagine getting out in that water. No. It's cold. Alright, so that was the Lakeshore Trail here at Colter Bay Campground and recreation area of the Grand Teton National Park.
Yep.
Technically, that's our first hike here in the Grand Tetons.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. It was only 2 miles. It was really more of like a nature trail kind of thing. But taking you out onto the lake with those amazing views was pretty awesome. What did you think?
Very cool views. You could see the mountain and the water was really clear.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Nice little hike, just kind of getting us warmed up for hopefully some bigger adventures.
Yep.
All right. Till next time.
Peace out.